research in medical education over the next 2 years, along with 7 crores each for GMC Jammu and GMC Srinagar for the creation of emergency medicine departments over a 3-year period. An additional maintenance grant of 32 crores has been allocated for oxygen generation plants, lifts, toilets and ramps. We are also establishing a government homeopathy medical college and associated hospital at Rakh Hoshiari district, Kathua, at an estimated cost of 15 crores. Furthermore, an additional 10 crores has been allocated to SKIMS, along with the completion of a 200-bedded IPD facility at SKIMS Medical College, Bemina. To enhance drug quality and safety, the modern drug testing laboratory in Kathua will be made operational. These initiatives reaffirm our commitment to providing state-of-the-art healthcare facilities and ensuring a healthier future for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. To boost private investment in healthcare, our government will introduce the Healthcare Investment Policy to enhance medical infrastructure and services across Jammu and Kashmir. Non-communicable disease screening will be strengthened for early detection and treatment. Under PM ABHIM, 13 critical care blocks, 111 block public health units, and 10 district public health laboratories will be completed. Linear accelerators will be installed at the state cancer institutes in GMC Jammu and SKIMS Srinagar to enhance cancer diagnosis and treatment. Maternal health services in tertiary care hospitals will be improved with better logistical support aimed to reduce maternal mortality and ensure comprehensive care for expectant mothers. Efforts are being directed at consolidating and strengthening existing infrastructure, improving service delivery, and equipping hospitals with adequate manpower and advanced medical technology to provide quality health care across Jammu and Kashmir. Combating the drug menace remains a top priority of our government. De-addiction infrastructure is in place across all 20 districts and will be made fully operational. So far, 377 panchayats have been declared Nasha Mukht, with efforts underway to make J&K entirely drug-free. Awareness campaigns are being conducted in villages, schools and colleges. Strict action, including the seizure of contraband and property, will be taken against drug peddlers to ensure safeguard the youth from this threat. Crores under capital expenditure for 25-26, reflecting an increase of 643 crores from the revised allocation of 24-25. This investment aims to strengthen healthcare infrastructure, expand medical education, enhance diagnostic facilities, and improve accessibility to quality healthcare services across Jammu and Kashmir. Our government is committed to strengthening early childhood education by developing 15,000 primary schools with an enrollment target of 1.8 lakh children. To enhance research and quality education, we are leveraging technology and digitization through smart classrooms, Atal Tinkering Labs, and digital resources. Additionally, 600 ICT labs, 2,000 smart classrooms, and 500 Atal Tinkering Labs are being set up to foster innovation and improve the overall education ecosystem. Under the PM Shri scheme, 396 schools in Jammu and Kashmir have been approved for upgradation to enhance educational infrastructure. To achieve universal education, 46,000 out-of-school children have been identified, enrolled, and mainstreamed. Special emphasis is being given to girls' education, along with improving punctuality and discipline among teaching staff. J&K Kuwait 12, One Campus, One Future. To transform the education landscape in Jammu and Kashmir, our government is launching an ambitious initiative to upgrade 40 government higher secondary schools, 1 boys and 1 girls school per district. 1 boys and 1 girls school per district into integrated K-12 institutions. By rationalizing nearby primary and middle schools, we will ensure seamless, uninterrupted education from primary to the higher secondary under a single administration. This reform will be duly aligned with the National Education Policy and will enhance teacher specialization, optimize resource utilization, and improve infrastructure, significantly reducing dropout rates and strengthening school governance. This initiative, at a total cost of 180 crores, will be piloted over a period of 2 years with funding from the State Education Department, PM Shri School Scheme, and potential CSR and PPP partnerships. Each school will receive upgraded classrooms, smart learning facilities, advanced laboratories, vocational training labs, and better sports and sanitation infrastructure. A structured implementation plan will begin with a pilot in 15 schools in the first year, followed by phased expansion and ensuring efficient execution and measurable impact. To oversee this transformation, a special task force under the Education Department will be formed, supported by district-level committees led by the Deputy Commissioners. Regular performance audits and learning assessments will be conducted to track progress. This initiative will serve as a model for educational excellence, paving the way for statewide adoption of the K-12 system in government schools and ensuring that every child in J&K receives quality, uninterrupted education in a well-equipped learning environment. I propose an outlay of 50 crores in the budget for this initiative. Our government is committed to transforming Jammu and Kashmir into an educational hub by fully implementing the National Education Policy 2020 and introducing 4-year undergraduate programs in all colleges. Infrastructure and services in degree colleges will be enhanced. Additionally, polytechnic colleges are being strengthened with 600 additional seats to expand technical education opportunities. Our government will roll out a policy to attract private investment in higher education. Efforts will be made to encourage renowned private universities to establish satellite campuses in Jammu and Kashmir, creating large-scale employment and education opportunities for the youth of J&K. To ensure transparent skill development and innovation, the government will act as a facilitator to create an industry-ready, skilled workforce. For the school and higher education sector, Speaker Sir, allocation of 1,388 in infrastructure and facilities, the establishment of 100 Khelo India centers, development of sports complexes and synthetic turfs in key stadia set the foundation for a vibrant sports ecosystem. To nurture talent, the government will continue infrastructure and opportunities for athletes. Our government will be establishing national centers of excellence for water sports at Dal Lake in Srinagar and Basoli in Jammu, providing state-of-the-art training facilities for water sports enthusiasts. A gymnastics academy will be set up. Youth hostels, one each in Jammu and Kashmir divisions, will be constructed with a provision of 10 crores. High-performance training centers will be developed in all districts in a phased manner to enhance athlete training and performance at the grassroots level. To promote mass participation, to further support our sportspersons, we will ensure that travel costs, accommodation, and training opportunities are addressed, enabling athletes to compete at national and international levels without financial constraints. Coaches will receive, for the sports sector, a capital expenditure allocation of 150 crores has been made for 25-26, an increase of 7.5 crores from the revised allocation of 24-25. Mr. Speaker, sir, we recognize the problem of unemployment like Mumkin, Tejaswini, and Spurring Entrepreneur will be used for empowering youth and women entrepreneurs in the next financial year. Mission Yuva will be launched, aimed to create 1,37,000 enterprises and access to platforms like ONDC. A dedicated digital platform will provide AI-based planning, training, and progress tracking. To enhance worker welfare in the unorganized sector, over 34 lakh laborers have been registered for secure data tracking and a transparent online cess collection portal. New training institutions with residential facilities will be established and workers will benefit from insurance schemes like PMJJBY and APMJAY. These initiatives will create a self-reliant ecosystem by empowering individuals with skills to provide youth with job opportunities. 83 units have transitioned to NCVT, benefiting 1,800 more students with globally recognized national trade certificates. Further, the Healthcraft Institute's training in technology, healthcare, tourism, renewable energy, and traditional crafts, while fostering innovation, startup incubation, and industry partnerships. By bridging the gap between education and employment, JKSEU will reduce unemployment, create a skilled workforce, and nurture job creators. A special focus will be given to marginalized communities, ensuring inclusive growth. Our government is working out the modalities for the implementation of this ambitious initiative. For labor, employment, and skill 526, to enhance service delivery, prevent leakages, and ensure fair and transparent distribution of essential commodities across Jammu and Kashmir. As an additional measure of social security, I propose our government is dedicated to the welfare and empowerment of our tribal communities who have long faced socio-economic challenges. To improve their quality of life, we are constructing 25 new hostels, along with 8. These initiatives will ensure greater inclusion and empowerment for our tribal communities. Our government is committed to ensuring safety and support for women through Sakhi Niwas and Shakti Sadan initiatives to provide secure accommodation for working women and those pursuing education or Pulwama, Riyasi, Ramban, Poonch, and Srinagar, adding to the existing centers in Jammu and Kupwara. These facilities will provide shelter, care, and rehabilitation services to help women reintegrate into society. Our government is committed to enhancing supports in Samba, Ramban, and Poonch will be completed, offering shelter and educational support for boys, and a new Vatsalya Sadan will be constructed in Bardam. Our government remains committed to providing financial assistance to the most vulnerable sections of society. 250 per month for persons below 60 years of age, 1,500 per month for persons aged between 60 and below 80 years, and 2,000 per month for persons aged over 80 and above. This revision healthcare and daily necessities. This enhancement will increase the total pension outlay from 1,209 crores to 1,755 crores per annum, ensuring greater financial security and dignity for those in need. Our government is committed to strengthening the financial security and support for women, the coverage of the Ladli Beti scheme, and promote economic inclusion. I propose, starting from 1st April 2025, all women in Jammu and Kashmir will be granted free ridership on government-owned transport independence. I urge this august House to support this progressive step towards a safer, more inclusive, and economically empowered Jammu and Kashmir. To further support women from economically weaker sections, I propose an enhancement of financial assistance under the Marriage Assistance Scheme from Rs 50,000 to 75,000 in its reach and impact. Our government is committed to women's empowerment through self-reliance and entrepreneurship, with over 7 lakh women in 90,000 self-help groups and 3 lakh women farmers trained